Stop. Before you scroll past this, I need you to do something right now. Press 2 fingers just below your right rib cage. Press firmly upward. Hold it. Is it tender? Even slightly? That tenderness is not a coincidence. That is your liver, and it is trying to get your attention. Here is something that will genuinely shock you, right now, as you are watching this. There is a 1 in 3 chance that your liver is packed with fat. Not the fat you can pinch on your belly. Fat buried deep inside the organ that is supposed to be filtering every drop of your blood, every single minute of every single day. And here is the part that keeps doctors up at night. Most people with a fatty liver feel totally fine. They are not overweight. They do not drink alcohol. They eat what they think is a reasonable diet. And yet, their liver is silently drowning in fat, working at a fraction of its capacity, stealing their energy, their metabolism, and their health one day at a time. But here is what nobody is talking about. A clinical study published in one of the world's top liver research journals found that people who made one specific dietary change lost up to 48% of their liver fat in just 14 days. Not 3 months, not 6 weeks, 14 days. And when you combine that change with 1 glass of a specific morning drink, something that costs under $1 and takes 90 seconds to make the results accelerate even faster. I am going to give you the full science, the exact protocol, and the drink right now. Watch this entire video, because the piece most people skip, the section on what happens inside your liver cells when you do this, is the part that will actually make this work for you. Let's go. Most people assume fatty liver disease is something that happens to heavy drinkers or people who are severely obese. That assumption is costing millions of people their energy, their metabolism, and their long-term health. Here is the reality. According to the National Institutes of Health, approximately 1 in 3 adults in the United States has some degree of fat accumulation in the liver, a condition now called metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, or MASLD. The majority of those people have no idea. And no, you do not have to be overweight to have it. Research published in peer-reviewed journals shows that people with a completely normal body weight can develop fatty liver at equal or even higher rates than those carrying extra pounds, because the real driver is not the number on the scale. It is the quality of what goes into your body. Here is what actually happens. Every time you eat excess sugar, refined carbohydrates, or processed food, your liver has to convert that overflow into fat because there is nowhere else for it to go. Your liver essentially becomes a storage warehouse for metabolic junk. And once that fat fills enough of your liver cells, those cells can no longer do their actual job, filtering your blood, regulating your blood sugar, producing bile for digestion, and keeping your hormones balanced. So how do you know if this is happening to you? Fatty liver is often called the silent disease because there are rarely dramatic symptoms. But there are quiet signals your body sends. Watch for persistent fatigue that does not improve with sleep, a dull, aching sensation in the upper right side of your abdomen, unexplained bloating, especially after meals, brain fog, difficulty concentrating, or that mid-afternoon energy crash, increased sensitivity when you press firmly just below your right rib cage. If 2 or more of those describe you, your liver is telling you something. The good news is that of all the organs in your body, the liver is one of the most responsive to change. It regenerates. It heals. And when you give it the right environment, even for just a few days, the difference in how you feel is remarkable. Now let's look at what science has documented, because this is where things get genuinely surprising. A clinical study published in the Journal of Hepatology had participants lower their daily carbohydrate intake to under 50 grams per day, while keeping caloric intake the same. No starvation. No extreme restriction. Just a shift away from carbohydrates toward fats and proteins. Within 14 days, researchers measured an average reduction of liver fat of up to 48%. Liver enzyme markers, which your doctor uses to assess how hard your liver is working, and whether it is under stress, dropped to healthier levels within the same 2-week window. And some participants showed measurable improvement in their liver inflammation markers in as little as 24 hours. The liver is the first organ the body taps for fat fuel when carbohydrates are scarce, which is why liver fat drops so fast. Here is the biological reason this works so quickly, and it is important that you understand it. When your body runs on carbohydrates, it uses glucose as its primary fuel. But when you reduce carbohydrates significantly, your body flips a metabolic switch. It begins burning fat for energy instead. And the very first fat reserve your body draws from during this switch is not your belly, your hips, or your thighs. It is your liver. The liver is the body's primary fat processing center. It is the first depot to be filled when you overeat, and it is the first depot to be emptied when you shift into fat-burning mode. That is why the research shows such dramatic improvement in liver fat specifically, even when overall body weight barely budges. So where does the drink come in? Once you set the dietary conditions for your liver to release fat, you can dramatically accelerate and support that process with something that costs less than $1 a day and takes about 90 seconds to prepare. Fresh lemon water. 1 whole lemon, 12 ounces of filtered water. Every morning, before anything else. Now, before you dismiss this as basic wellness advice you have heard before, let me tell you what is actually happening at the cellular level, because this is not about hydration. This is about a class of compounds called flavonoids. Lemons are one of the most concentrated whole food sources of flavonoids available in any grocery store. Specifically, they contain a flavonoid called hesperidin, along with naringenin and eriocitrin. Multiple published studies have found that these compounds do 3 very specific things for your liver. They reduce oxidative stress inside liver cells, protecting healthy cells. From the damage caused by fat accumulation, they suppress a key enzyme called fatty acid synthase, which is the enzyme your liver uses to manufacture new fat. They improve insulin sensitivity in liver tissue, which reduces the signal that tells your liver to keep storing fat. In plain terms, the flavonoids in fresh lemon juice turn down the fat-making machinery in your liver while simultaneously protecting the cells that are trying to heal. Here is exactly how to prepare it. Use 1 whole fresh lemon, never bottled juice, which loses most of its flavonoid content during processing. Squeeze it into 10-12 ounces of room temperature or warm water. Drink it on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning, at least 20 minutes before food or coffee. Do this every morning for a minimum of 14 consecutive days. That is the full protocol. Consistent, simple, backed by mechanism, not just anecdote. Now, while lemon water delivers fast-acting flavonoid support, there is a second layer of liver protection that research consistently points to, and it works on a longer timeline, 90 to 120 days. It is called silymarin, the active compound extracted from the milk thistle plant. Here is why it matters. When your liver is under metabolic stress, processing excess fat, filtering toxins, dealing with sugar overload, it rapidly depletes its reserves of a compound called glutathione. Glutathione is your body's most powerful internally produced antioxidant. Your liver cannot regenerate properly without adequate glutathione levels. Multiple peer-reviewed studies have shown that silymarin from milk thistle inhibits the breakdown of glutathione in liver cells, preserving your body's own healing capacity. It also has direct anti-inflammatory and antifibrotic effects on liver tissue, meaning it helps prevent the scarring that can occur when fatty liver goes untreated. The clinically studied dose in most trials is 140 to 420 milligrams of standardized silymarin per day. You can find milk thistle capsules at virtually any pharmacy or health food store. Look for a product standardized to 70-80% silymarin content for best results. Think of it this way. Lemon water is the daily spark, the fast signal that tells your liver to start releasing fat today. Milk thistle is the long-term shield, the compound that rebuilds and protects liver tissue over months. Let's bring everything together into a concrete protocol you can start tomorrow. Step 1. Reduce carbohydrates to under 50 grams per day. You do not need to count calories. You do not need to go hungry. Fill your plate with quality proteins like eggs, fish, and poultry, healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and nuts, and non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and cucumber. Eliminate bread, pasta, rice, sugar, and processed snacks for these 14 days. Step 2. Drink your morning lemon water before anything else. 1 full fresh lemon, squeezed into 10-12 ounces of water, on an empty stomach. Make it non-negotiable. Make it the first thing you do when you wake up, before your phone, before your coffee, before everything. Step 3. Extend your overnight fast by delaying breakfast 1-2 hours. This gives your liver additional time in a fat-burning state each morning. Research from the journal Cell Metabolism confirms that time-restricted eating reduces liver fat independently of caloric intake. Step 4. Add milk thistle daily for ongoing liver protection. 140-40-20 mg of standardized silymarin per day, with food. This is your 90-day liver rebuilding investment on top of the 14-day reset. Step 5. Eliminate liquid sugars completely. Sodas, fruit juices, sweetened coffees, and energy drinks are among the most direct drivers of liver fat accumulation. A study published in the Journal of Hepatology found that daily consumption of sugar-sweetened beverages was independently associated with a 56% higher risk of fatty liver disease. What you can expect by day 14: measurable reduction in liver fat, up to 48%, based on clinical evidence improved liver enzyme levels if you track blood work. Noticeably higher morning energy levels, reduction in bloating and right side abdominal discomfort, early shifts in waist circumference. As liver fat decreases, your liver performs over 500 individual functions every single day. It filters your entire blood supply multiple times every hour. It regulates your metabolism, your hormones, your energy, your immune system. And for most people eating a modern diet, it is doing all of that while swimming in fat that was never meant to be there. But here is what makes the liver unlike almost any other organ. It responds to change faster than you would believe possible. Give it one targeted morning drink, remove the carbohydrate overload, and within 24 hours, it begins to shift. Within 2 weeks, research shows you can cut nearly half of that stored fat without dramatic weight loss, without expensive interventions. 1 glass, every morning, starting tomorrow. If you want to go deeper, the next video covers the 5 specific foods that research shows directly reduce liver inflammation. Click it now. Because what you learn there makes everything we talked about today work even faster.